That's the road in front of the house. We got about 6 inches of snow. And it's still pretty covered, but it is a fluffy snow, and probably when they come through and grade it again this morning, I'd say a lot of it will be gone. This is just me doing this by hand here on the driveway. I have a tractor with a bucket, but it's fluffy snow, so it's not really hard to do. There was a vehicle by. As long as you drive careful and a little slower, shouldn't have any problem. I've got probably over half of the driveway done. I haven't been out here that long. And when the sun gets up and just a little bit of warmth, I think this will go away. So yeah, I'm probably halfway. So a few more minutes and I'll have this scooped off. Garbage pickup was yesterday, and obviously they didn't get it, so I'm gonna just take it back to the garage. Probably be next Thursday when it'll be picked up. That's okay. You can only do what you can do. I showed the cat. He's waiting for some milk. Or she. Very fluffy. Just a little bit more there, and then up around the house. We'll have this drive cleaned off.
Maybe 5 more feet. And how long is the driveway?
About 225.
About 225.
To the road, yeah. Yeah, fluffy snows don't take too long.
Definitely an insulated pant and long john kind of day.
Yep. Yeah, it's about 10 degrees, isn't it, or 15 or something.
Or lower.
That sun gets out and hits that, it should melt some of it off today. the sidewalk, and then I think I'm done for the day.
Gonna do the sidewalk, you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how you clean a driveway off by hand in an hour maybe.
Just so you can bring the full garbage can back into the house.
Yeah, I had to have a good clean path through the garbage. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.